Hey Paul, hey Emmeline, it's Sunday evening. I'm going to show you the app as promised. So this is the app that will be used in this case by a retail security guard in a retail environment, but I do think after doing some research this could definitely work as well with some tweaking on the trains for fare dodgers. Anyway, so let's click into the app. It's got facial recognition and fingerprint recognition. You've got this is the home page for the individual, the security guard. They've got some stats there, which they can keep track of their referrals and how they're progressing. So what we're trying to do, if we go back to the homepage here, we're trying to capture the incident as quickly as possible, and there's some AI within this that will do the triage for us. So if we go in, it will look for our location when we click new incident. So it'll give us a date, a time, let's say it just happened now, incident. I'll look for somewhere close to me. Yeah, there we go. Are there multiple people responsible in this incident? If you say yes, you can add multiple people, but we'll just say no for now. Move on. We want to enter the suspect details. So what we want the security guard to do is read this. It's basically, you may have an opportunity to avoid formal action by participation in a diversionary community accountability program. The information you provide will determine if you qualify. Would you like to proceed? I presume a lot of them will, or we assume a lot of them will. Then we ask some questions that will qualify them for this kind of diversion. So the first one is this low-level offense suitable for a community resolution? Yes. Is there enough information to believe this person committed the offense? I'm sure there would be if they got this far. Does the incident need to be dealt with by a more formal process? If it does, you'd be calling the police, but if it doesn't, you can proceed. Has the person admitted to the offense and has accepted responsibility? Yes. So we can proceed. Now we do this every time because that set of questions aligns with the gravity matrix that the police use. So if in the future you want to use this for evidence, then you've asked the questions that would align with the processes that the police would use. So first name, Chris, last name, Smith, date of birth, 01/01/1998. If it's less than 18, it won't qualify for this diversion because you would need parents and guardians' approval. So we asked to take a picture, and the reason for this is I don't know if you can read that, but basically it says that we take a picture so we can verify when the person attends the course, it is the person that was committing the offense, right? So let's just take a picture. I'll do one of me. Evening, guys. Where is the... I don't know where it is. There we go. Lovely. Okay, that's in. Address. You just start typing and it will keep coming up. Gender, male, ethnicity. Well, pick anything. Next. Then we ask 3 more questions, and this helps us to finish the triage. Approximate value of the goods, less than 50, 50 to 100, just those kind of stakes there. So in this case, it was 100 to 200. Are there any aggravating factors or any mitigating factors? If you say yes, you can type them in, but we'll say no in this case. Rose, which is our AI engine, does the triage, and it's recommending a level 1 online group session, which is the session that this person would attend online. So then you can read out the details of what that course is exactly to the individual. We give that all the information. You can actually hand your phone over to the individual, and because the app is biometrically linked to the security officer, the person, if they're reading the phone, won't be able to use it or click back into it. So I confirm that this person is agreed. We move on to collecting the referral information. We need a mobile phone or an email, and I can put in any. Next, that will send a code to the individual to confirm that that is their phone. The same would happen if it was email. This is a demo version, so I can't type in the code because I just made up that number. But then what happens afterwards is once that's been validated, the referral gets sent to us. We pick it up, and we then issue the individual with a login, and they can go and they get their own version of the app where it's all fully integrated with a video conferencing system, and they can book the course. So that's an overview of what it is. It's really simple. I can do the one now without explaining it. I could do the referral in 2 to 3 minutes, which is a massive time saving. And once you've done that, it comes over to us.